Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the Speak Ease channel. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Liam. Hello, friends. How's everyone doing today? We hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world.
Liam, I have to ask, how was your weekend?
My weekend was great, Anna. I slept a lot, watched a movie, and ate too much pizza. A perfect lazy weekend.
Oh, that sounds nice. I met some friends and went to the park. The weather was sunny, so it was really nice to be outside.
That sounds wonderful. And hey, that's exactly what we're talking about today.
That's right. Today's lesson is called Let's Talk About the Weekend. We'll learn how to talk about what we do on the weekend, how to ask, answer, and share about your free time.
Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you love learning English with us.
Yes, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new speaking practice lessons every week. So, weekends. We all love them, right? Saturday and Sunday are special days for most people. We rest, relax, and do fun things.
Exactly. In English, we often talk about the weekend with friends. For example, what did you do last weekend? Or do you have any plans for the weekend?
Those are two great questions. We'll learn both of them today. So, by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about what you did last weekend, talk about your plans for the next weekend, and sound natural when you chat with friends in English. Let's start with the past. What we did last weekend. We usually say, "What did you do last weekend?" Can you repeat after me? What did you do last weekend?
Good. Now let's practice some answers. Here are a few examples. I watched a movie. I met my friends. I visited my grandparents. I stayed at home and rested. I went shopping. I played football.
Nice and easy, right? You can start your answer with I and use a past tense. Let's do a mini role play. Hey, Liam, what did you do last weekend?
I went to the beach. It was sunny and beautiful.
Oh, wow. Did you swim?
A little, but the water was cold. What about you, Anna? What did you do last weekend?
I stayed home and cooked some pasta.
Pasta. Sounds delicious.
Yeah. Okay. Now your turn, dear listener. Can you say, I went to the beach? I went to the beach. Great. Now try another one. I stayed home and cooked. Nice job.
Now let's move to the future, talking about next weekend. We can say, what are you going to do next weekend? Or, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Good one. Let's repeat the question. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Great! Now some answers. You can say, I'm going to visit my family. I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going to relax at home. I'm going to go shopping. I don't have any plans yet.
Nice and simple. We use I'm going to when we talk about future plans.
Anna, what are you going to do next weekend?
Next weekend, I'm going to visit my parents. I haven't seen them in a while.
That's lovely. I think I'm going to clean my house. It's, a big mess.
Oh, really? You always say that. You clean your house every weekend.
Yeah, but it gets messy again.
Okay, let's help our listeners practice. Say this with us. I'm going to visit my parents. Good. Now try, I'm going to clean my house. Perfect.
Let's learn some more words you can use to talk about your weekend.
Yes. Repeat after us, slowly, okay? 1. Go shopping. 2. Watch a movie. 3. Play games. 4. Visit friends. 5. Go for a walk. 6. Sleep late. 7. Clean the house. 8. Read a book. 9. Go to the gym. 10. Cook dinner.
Good job. Now let's make a few sentences together.
Sure. Listen and repeat. I went shopping last weekend. I watched a movie last weekend. I'm going to visit my friends next weekend.
Perfect. You're doing great.
Okay. Now let's play a small game. We'll describe a weekend activity and you guess what it is.
Ooh, I love this part.
All right. First one. I went to a big building with many shops. I bought new shoes. What did I do?
You went shopping.
Yes, I went shopping. Okay, next one. I stayed home and watched a film on my TV. What did I do?
You watched a movie.
Correct again. Okay, now your turn, Liam.
All right. I kicked a ball with my friends in the park. What did I do?
You played football.
Yes! Great job, listeners. See, you can make English fun and easy with small games like this.
Now let's practice a short, natural weekend conversation.
Okay, let's do it slowly. You can repeat after us.
Hi, Liam. How was your weekend?
It was good. I met my friends. How about you?
It was nice. I went to a cafe and read a book.
Oh, that sounds relaxing.
Yeah. So, do you have any plans for next weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my parents.
That's great. Say hello to them for me.
Sure. Thanks, Anna.
Now, you try, listener. Practice with a friend or say it out loud. Try, how was your weekend? Good. Now answer, it was good. I went to the park. Nice. Nice.
All right, let's do a quick review before we finish.
Yes, today we learned how to talk about the weekend, both the past and the future.
We learned these key questions. What did you do last weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? What are you going to do next weekend?
And we practiced answers like, I went shopping. I stayed at home. I'm going to visit my friends.
Remember, use past tense verbs went, watched, cooked for last weekend. Use going to plus verb I'm going to watch, I'm going to rest for next weekend.
Exactly. Try to use these phrases when you talk to your friends, classmates, or even in your English journal. You can start your day by asking yourself, what did I do last weekend? And what am I going to do next weekend?
Great idea. It's simple daily practice, and the more you say it, the more natural your English will sound.
You did amazing today. We're so proud of you for practicing with us.
Yes, and if you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to the Speak Ease channel. We post fun, easy English speaking lessons every week.
And tell us in the comments, what did you do last weekend? Or what are you going to do next weekend? We'd love to read your answers. Thanks for joining us today, friends. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and remember, English is easy when you speak with ease.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.